Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your YouTube video public on your phone. It's super quick and easy. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android, this method will work perfectly for both. So let's get started. First, open up the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your phone. And then install the YouTube Studio app on your phone. I have already installed it, so I will just open it. And once you are on YouTube Studio, simply tap on the option that says Content at the bottom of the screen. And here, you will see both public and private videos here. To make your video public, you have to simply tap on it. And then tap on the pencil icon at the top. And you will see an option that says Visibility. Just tap on it. And simply select Public from here. And lastly, tap on the Save option at the top right corner. And that's it. Now your video is public and ready to be viewed by your audience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.